Coffee stop. We've caught up with the...
Brilliant.
How's that then, Rory?
That was awesome. That was awesome. I just want people to get out of my way so I can keep going.
Don't want to stop for coffee, I want to keep going.
Yeah. Got enough caffeine, enough adrenaline.
The bellet skin frith.
And then turn right ahead.
And that's then ticking us off to make sure we've got back in one piece.
I wonder if there's a red V8 available, red supercharged, that we can get into. I want to do some filming in the red version.
Yeah, do it.
Red colour.
Yeah, do it.
So we'll see if there is one, so you can have a bit of a play with this engine.
Okay, mate. Yeah.